Hi guys, how are you this evening? Welcome back to our channel. This evening we'll be cooking dinner together. Me and my boys, we will be cooking hot wings. Huh? Okay, yeah, we will be cooking hot wings. We have Marquand and Kimarion with us tonight. Move my drink there. So I have cleaned my chicken. Let's see if I can show you guys my chicken. It's in the sink right there. It has been cleansed. It has actual, bring it a little closer here. I cleaned it because I didn't want the boys, I'm sorry, I'm all discombobulated here. I didn't want the boys dealing with so much of that, but I've taken off most of the extra little wings and fat, and it's soaking with a little lime in it actually. So now I'm gonna rinse that out. Take out the limes. Actual lime, I squeeze lime in it to help. Wait a minute. Rinse it a little bit more. Hey, someone want to look under there and get me the white strainer? Please. When you're cooking, your kitchen should be clean. You should have dishwater and ready to go. Yes, we're gonna cook some fries. Yeah, we started. I like to pat it dry a little bit so the seasoning can stick and not just, you know, stick to the bowl because the chicken is wet. Pat it dry. Excuse my dog in the back. Okay, so we're gonna allow Kimarion to season the food with my direction tonight. So we're gonna use a little bit of season all Morton's. I don't normally use this. Onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper. All right, I'm gonna do this because it's big. Okay. You want to try a little bit? Yeah. Come on. Don't be tempted. You're gonna use both hands, son. That's heavy. Okay. Don't touch the meat. Okay. Let me see. Thank you. Good job. All right. Where are you going? Where are you going? Come on, Kimarion. Onion powder. You finished seasoning? Oh, they don't have it there. I know where it's at. Sprinkle some garlic powder on there. Don't pour, sprinkle. I'm teaching them some things at the same time, so guys, just come. Okay. Good job.
I feel like I poured too much.
You feel like you poured too much garlic? You can't really. You can make stuff a little too garlicky, but it's hard to overdo the garlic. I'm gonna put a little black pepper in here. A little black pepper. Onion powder. I'm gonna sprinkle this because the strainer's not in there. It's actually on top of the microwave. Onion powder. I'm gonna toss this around. It's actually not a lot of seasoning, so it looks like it's more garlic thanks to the mister. Mix that around. Then I'm gonna squeeze some mustard.
Mustard?
Yes, just a tap. Yeah. And can someone open this wing sauce for me, please? The wing sauce.
Wait, I want to.
Yeah, he can open it because I want him to pour it too. Now I like to cook my wings with a little bit of the wing sauce that I'm going to use on there as well. I got this from shake it from my local grocery store called Save-A-Lot. I didn't go to Walmart. Scared me because Ooh. Pour a little bit in there. Don't have a. All right. All right. So, no, it don't. I don't serve it that hot. All right. So, Mark 1. Can you preheat the oven, the air fryer? Excuse me, guys. To 400. Turn to 400. Turn it on there. Turn it on. Turn it on. We don't have you open this way. Huh?
Like a little bit more sauce to go up in there.
It does, huh? Well, I have to put more sauce on it after. Yeah. That's just to give it a little flavor. Okay. You want to put them in, or yeah? Well, you know you can't put all of them in at one time, right? Guys, I'm usually in the kitchen, normally in the kitchen by myself. So I'm trying to teach my boys to cook. So I really thank you guys for coming on this journey with us. I don't even know how to maneuver in the kitchen with them in here. I'm just so used to just doing it, you know. I'm the only female in the house. The dog is even a male. So I just do it, you know. But it's time for them to learn. All right, Quan, come on. They over there eating snacks. See, this is why I just do it, you know? They having a snack break. I'm in here. So, you want to put some chicken in there, not on top of each other. See, you hear the snack break?
Wait. Oh, I was about to put it on in there.
Well, you've been touching other stuff. Yeah, wash your hands again. You just gonna pull the chicken in there?
You had chips. No, don't say, oh yeah, because I said that to you right in front of you.
Don't be looking at him like. Okay, Quan has washed his hands. And we're gonna get putting this chicken in the air fryer. Okay, so you don't want to just dump it in there. You want to place the chicken in there. You know, place it. Oh God.
What do you feel like that?
Oh Lord, you say the chicken feel weird, y'all. He says the chicken feels weird. Okay, that's enough. Go ahead and wash your hands again. Okay guys, so we're gonna let the chicken cook the first batch. We will come back when that batch is complete. I'm back. Of course, y'all know the kids and love me back there in the room playing the game or something. I'm gonna make this sauce. So I'm gonna use take me some focus. Come on. Well, I gotta turn the stove on first. But I'm gonna put me a little bit of that bare butter. Some butter in the pot. Some of that butter in later. Just that much there. No, I'm gonna leave it out. I was gonna put it up, but I'm gonna leave it out just in case I need it. Then I'm gonna get me, sorry. Why do I have my stuff over here? Then I'm going to grab my garlic, minced garlic, you know, back here. I'm gonna add some of this hot wing sauce that I got from my local Save-A-Lot. I usually love to use, they have a brand of buffalo sauce I love this hot sauce. This that you can put that sting on anything sauce. Let's see. There we go. I love their brand, but I did not want to go all the way too long. So I'm gonna pour some of this in the pot to start. Oh my god. Hold on, guys. Stir this together. I just want to marinate with that garlic in it. Some more. Not that much left in the bottle now. Before I put that in, I love to sprinkle in a little bit of brown sugar. Clump fell in, so that's definitely enough. I want it sweet, but I don't want it so bitter either, you know? I don't want it bitter either. Either. Now, I know this is hot. Yes, please. That's some candies. Now comes the ranch. Tasting the sauce.
Salt?
No,
Ketchup?
no, you need to get tongue. Here, okay, lick your tongue out. I'm gonna drop the some on it.
That's pretty
It's
good.
hot.
It's good.
See it. Ooh. Do y'all hear that chicken popping? The camera, of course, the lighting. Focus. It looks, I don't know what color it looks like on camera, but I'll be back. This is some of the finished pieces of the chicken already in the pan. I'm gonna check my air fryer now. These are ready. Yes, they are. Take these out of here. Yeah. Children are hungry, so I'm going to put on broil on high. Stir this up again. Just been sitting. I'm going to pour this on these. I have a few more I have to cook, but for the most part, I've got to get everybody eating. fry some fries. Okay, so like I was saying, you want to put on some French fries. This huge bag of French fries from Sam's Club. So this is how it looks before it goes in the oven. My oven is on broil. I'm gonna watch it, leave it in for about 2 to 3 minutes. Probably longer, but I don't want it to get crispy than what it is. I got my crispiness in the air fryer. I just want the sauce to stick. That's all. Feed the kiddos. So my fries cooking, chicken in the oven, letting the sauce just marinate and soak in there and bind to the chicken a little better. And yeah, we'll be back. Say that one more time. I didn't hear you, son. What you said? If I wanted help, I could have asked. Well, at the beginning of this whole blog, the plan was for you guys to help me. I don't know, you guys just disappeared, playing games, headphones in ear, and you know how I am about getting things done. I'm sorry. Next time I'll just call you guys in here every step of the way. But you shouldn't have left me. You left me. How can the cook leave the kitchen? I can't leave the kitchen. I went over there and I tried to do a little homework, and then I said, okay, I've been on the computer all day, off and on. I need a mental break. Let me just focus on cooking. They having a little, breakfast. Well, now that it's done, I could have asked for help. Everything done. I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 8 pieces of chicken to fry after the fries, but literally everything is done. Oh, my chicken.
Well, those are done.
You can't be distracting me. Almost burnt up the chicken. It is gorgeous. It's pretty, guys. Watch out. Watch out.
Well, those are already done.
No, those are not done. I stopped cooking the chicken to cook you guys